Well, the previous print was failed because I used bad parameters for normal exposure time. I had a 2.5, which was for a standard resin, and we print now in high clear resin. So producer ANYCUBIC says that for my printer, which is photon mono 6KS, it is exposure time of 4 seconds. I added half seconds to this because I have a lower temperature in my room, that is 20 degrees of Celsius, and bottom exposure time I had 28 seconds. I have to decrease that to 20 seconds. Bottom layer 5, let's check if it's true. 6 bottom layers, I should change it to 5. And Z-lift distance is 8 millimeters. Yes, that's correct. 2 and 3 millimeters for Z-lift speed and the retract speed. Let's check that out. Yeah, it's good. I added here heavy supports for this glass. So I added heavy supports for this big glass and medium supports for this flap. It will be also printed in transparent for this front lamps. We will see. Let's add generate. Looks okay for me. I have double checked the parameters and now slice. That's how sliced model look like from the bottom to top. I did not hollow the model because of it is transparent, clear resin without hollowing. And save it. And we check, is it okay?
That will be 14 hours of printing. So much layers here. 3408 layers.
It is 3 hours to go and model looks good, I think. I think I could use the medium supports for this big glass instead of heavy to save resin.
So I'm not completely happy with that effect because glazings should be done with spray or aerograph, not with the brush, but for now I will leave it how it is.